What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a touch of Mimi. Today we are making jerk chicken egg rolls. Y'all, when I tell you this recipe had been weighing on my heart all week long, so I was like, I'm gonna just do it. Yeah, I'm gonna step out on faith and just do it. So I use chicken tenders for my meat. You all can use chicken thighs or chicken breasts, it doesn't really matter. Um, Anyways, after I was rudely interrupted, after you season your meat, of course you're gonna mix it all together. And I'm not gonna lie, like I was being bougie for YouTube, but off camera, I went in with my hands and I mixed all this up because I just felt like the spoon wasn't getting the seasonings and all of the creases and crevices like it needed to be. So that's what I did, and I suggest that you do the same. So after you get done mixing up all your seasonings into your meat, you of course are going to marinate. So while your meat is marinating, go ahead and start on your sauce, you guys. When I tell you this sauce was so good, it was like the perfect combination of sweet and spicy and jerk. It was so good, y'all. I would like dip my chicken wings in it, everything. I would dip everything in this sauce. So y'all let me know in the comments on a scale of 1 to 10, how good was this sauce? All right. So now this is just me taste testing it, and it was extremely spicy, and I love spice, don't get me wrong, but my nephew, he's like 1, so I was like, I'm not gonna give it all to him. I ain't gonna give him all the spice. I'm gonna dim it down a little bit for Jit. But this is the consistency that that you should have when your sauce is finished. So now you just want to add oil to your pan or add oil to your griddle, however you're grilling your chicken. And I like to get a good char on my chicken, you guys. This is jerk chicken, so I like to get a good char on it. And then at this point I was like, okay, it's gonna cook faster if I just chop it up into pieces. So now I'm just shredding it. You might want to do this ahead of time, just chop it all up to begin with. So now I'm just doing the coleslaw mixture. When you're adding your soy sauce, do not go overboard. You do not want this to be wet at all. You just want to add enough just to coat the coleslaw, because if it's wet, when you go to rolling your egg rolls, it's just going to be a big mess. So just be mindful, just eye it, make sure it's not juice at the bottom. So I cannot begin to tell you the amount of frustration I had making these egg rolls. Like, all of the rappers wanted to rip on me, but guess what? They could not defeat me because I have a solution. So this is an egg wash I have here, and you just want to make sure all sides of the egg roll wrapper are wet with it so it'll stick together. Supposedly not rip, but it does anyway. So I'm going to show you where it ripped at, right there. And basically what you're going to do is wrap it up again. So you can either just double wrap it to begin with, and that'll help it from not ripping. But I was trying to use all my egg rolls, you guys, so yeah, I was trying to use just one wrapper, but Just use 2 if it keeps ripping.